Concept of initial and final conditions in switching circuits. This arrow represent switch is going to close, and this arrow represent switch is going to open, and this t is equal to 0 represent switch is going to close at t is equal to 0. Now it is assumed that closing or opening of switch take place instantaneously. T is equal to 0 represent initial condition, and t is equal to infinite represent final condition or steady state condition. T of 0 minus is an instant just before changing switch, and T of 0 plus is an instant just after changing switch. T is greater than 0 all instant after switching. For resistor does not store energy, and according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. This is a linear and time independent equation. So in case of initial condition, the resistance will be as it is, and in case of t is equal to 0 plus, this resistance will be as it is, and also in case of t is equal to infinite, this resistance will be as it is. But in case of inductor, current cannot change instantaneously, so I of 0 minus is equal to I of 0 plus. I of 0 minus is before switching, and I of 0 plus is after switching. This is a current before switching, and this is a current after switching. Let VL is the voltage across this inductor. So VL is equal to L di by dt. This di by dt represent change in current with respect to time. Now, if no initial current is passing through inductor, then initial condition will be like this, and in case of t is equal to 0 plus, that is the switch is closed, so it will act as a open circuit because VL is equal to infinite. This VL will be infinite. Since the t is equal to 0, so this will be VL is equal to infinite. So this VL is infinite, that time this inductor will be open circuited. And when t is equal to infinite, that is this t is infinite, that time this VL will be 0. VL is 0 means this will be short circuited. If initial current is passing through inductor, that is this IO is passing through the inductor initially, then at t is equal to 0 plus, the same current will pass through the inductor, and at t is equal to infinite, same current will pass through inductor, and it is in parallel with short circuit. Now for capacitor, voltage cannot change instantaneously. For capacitor, voltage cannot change instantaneously. Let voltage across this capacitor is Vc. Now voltage before switching is equal to voltage after switching. Vc of 0 minus is equal to Vc of 0 plus. Also Ic, this Ic is equal to C dV by dt. This dV by dt is the change in voltage with respect to time. Now capacitor without initial voltage, so initial condition will be like this, and at t is equal to 0 plus, that is the switch is closed, then that time the capacitor will act like short circuit, because if we substitute t is equal to 0, that means the current will be, this IC will be infinite, and infinite IC is infinite, that is this capacitor is short circuit. And when we substitute t is equal to infinite, so this t is equal to infinite, that time IC will be 0, and IC is 0, that means the capacitor is open circuit. Now when capacitor with initial voltage VO, now at t is equal to 0 plus, same voltage will be there across capacitor, and at t is equal to infinite, it will be VO, and in series with open circuit. So at t is equal to infinite, it will behave like this. VO in series with open circuit.